Hello, class. I'm here to talk to you today about narrative writing, one of our Comp 1 modules. So as we're going through and looking at this particular assignment, I wanted to kind of make sure that you guys are really paying attention to the assignment sheet. So I'll show you the assignment sheet in just a second. The assignment sheet is basically your map to success. So for every paper that you have, you will get a detailed assignment sheet that tells you the expectations, the objectives, and the process. A lot of times there will also be resources linked right into that assignment sheet. So you want to make sure you're using those and referring back to those every time that you're working on writing a paper. So the components of this module are that you're going to read the course notes, you're going to read the assignment sheet to get a sense of like what all is happening. Then you'll read the course notes and think about how each of the resources in the course notes folder helps you get ready to write the narrative essay at the end. After you've done the readings, you'll take the reading quiz. This is a low stakes assignment, and it's designed to draw your attention to various aspects of the course notes. And what I mean by low stakes is that it's not heavily weighted. It's got several questions, and they're each worth just a little bit of credit. And so that helps you to make sure that you're paying attention to all the stuff that you're going to need to be successful. But if you miss a question or two, it's really not a big deal. It is a big deal if you don't know why you missed a question, because in that case, you might not have digested or caught the details from the course readings. And in that case, you might want to send me an email or schedule a Zoom meeting with me so that we can talk about the material. After you've taken the reading quiz, there will be a discussion board, and this is where you get to connect with your classmates and try out ideas. So there are some detailed directions in the course about what should go on that discussion board. And then finally, after you feel like you're ready, you'll write and submit your paper. Try to remember as you're writing these papers that you do get to revise papers. There's time built in at the end of the semester for that. So try not to stress. Am I doing it right? Am I doing it wrong? If you're stressed out, of course, you can schedule to come in and have a Zoom meeting with me, but try not to stress because you can revise your essays all the way up to a 100. So if something doesn't go quite right, that's okay. We can go back and work on a revision. I'm going to go ahead and show you the module in our course in Blackboard. So here is our course. Here are the course modules. And if you click on Module 2, Narrative Essay, you'll see the assignment sheet, you will see the course notes, the reading quiz, the discussion board with directions, and then the submission link where you'll actually submit your essay. Okay, so just a few things to look at in the assignment sheet. Let me see if I can make that just a little bit bigger so maybe it's easier for you to read. You'll see at the top what the assignment is, and then there'll be a paragraph explaining what it is that you're supposed to do overall. I'll have some suggestions listed there, and then there'll be an assessment list. The assessment list is how I'm grading it. So I'm not grading every single thing about every single essay. I'm grading what I tell you I'm going to grade for. And so in this case, it lists what those things would be. And then here you see a hyperlink. So of course you want to watch that. It's a video tutorial I created about our first interaction with MLA, and to learn more about what that means, just watch the video. Lots of information for you about what MLA formatting is and how to do it in this paper. Okay, so that's your assignment sheet. As I said before, that is your map to success. So make sure you're following along. Your Module 2 course notes, there's a list of things here. So you go through those. I recommend you go through them in order, top to bottom. Each of those resources is going to help you figure out how to write your narrative essay. Okay, and then the reading quiz, you're welcome to use your notes. You're welcome to ask me if you come across a question you don't know the answer to. Then your discussion board, in which you will be sort of reacting to the model essay that you read in the course notes, and then you'll submit your final piece there. Okay, so that's kind of the run through of how that should work. Just to kind of give you a quick sense of narrative writing, it might seem a little strange when you write this because it is very personal in style. I know a lot of people are trained in their early academic career not to use I or talk about yourself in your essay. And in some cases that is true, but with narrative writing, that is not true. It's a chance for you to kind of be very personal. A lot of times it feels like you're writing creative writing. It's more like a story than an analytical essay. And so it's kind of fun in that way. So feel free to be creative and to use this as an expression of your own thoughts, ideas, and experiences. Again, I can't reiterate enough. Be sure you're reading the paper assignment sheet and using all the resources that are linked in there. And do make sure that you complete that attendance task for this week in Blackboard, and I will also send you that in email. I am always here to help. Just let me know if there's anything that I can do to help you be more successful, or to be less stressed out about all the things that you have to do for this class. So with that being said, I'm going to try to stop my recording, and good luck with your narrative essays, and I hope you have fun.